Hello mga katribo! Welcome to my channel. At ito tayo sa Bibury. The most beautiful village in Great Britain. Ayan.
Baba mo, ba't yung picturean tayo ni Roderick?
Okay na?
Okay na. Hindi pa nakangiti.
Halika dito, dito kayo.
Ito daw, ayan. Ayan.
Kayo muna mag-asawa ako.
Ayan. O, dito. Ayan o. Ayan. Pre, welcome to my channel. Asan ka? This is Arlington Road. Bought and declared the Royal Society of Arts, AD 1929. So it's gonna be 100 years old on 2029. This is the famous Arlington Road in Bibury. It's got ketchup. Where's the trout? Wala. Keep shop. Toilet. Sa Bibury Keep shop. First time. Puro tamis? Hindi naman. Nakaiba nga. Ayan, likod. Grano. And it's eating some fig. So.
Sabay yung mga basura. Ito yung ugasan natin dito.
Hindi na.
Ha? Meron ba yung ganitong dala?
Meron.
Ugasan natin.
Ayan, Kalapate. We're still in Bibury car park. Waiting. Ayun, nagbarel.
Doon daw sabi ni Roderick, doon daw siya graduate.
That's all. Buy some ice cream. Ganda. Ganda dito. May house. Yan. Gusto nila mag-swimming. I like to swim. Lakad-lakad muna tayo sa may kanan. Ito sa house nila. Ganda. Horton on the Waters, magical toy shop. Yeah, magical toy shop. Tagal naman. Ang dami nyo kasama dyan. Ang dami kasama, hindi makapag-rampa. Ayan, hindi makapag-rampa-rampa. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Ayan, excuse me. Ano ba yun? Ba't hindi ikuhan? Kala ko kuhan kayo yung mag-i-emote. Di kayo nag-i-emote. Ano ba yan?
Possible.
Water Museum. Cotswold. Ako walang picture. Wala akong video. Diyan mo ako. Ayan, mini Cooper.
Ayan, o.
May mini Cooper pala daw. Nahanap si Mr. Bean.
Don't climb daw.
Oh, wala si Mr. Bean. Wala.
Bro, I did it before with the
Hindi tumigas. Ay,
Ito bigas.
ang tigas ang tagal kong nilagay.
Oh, pre.
Goodbye, hasta la vista.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Ito yung ni Roderick.
My
Rest house.
Mansion.
Rest house sa Cotswold. Cotswold. Mansion. Ayan, nag-video okay kami dyan. Video okay. Ayan o. Ayan. Video okay si Rod. Bye, Nathan. See you tomorrow. Ayan. Yan ang kanilang house. In Cotswold.
In Cotswold.
Ito yung courtyard niya. Ang ganda o. Ito yung upuan o. Ah, oo. Lag pala. Magkakapihan dyan bukas. Ayan.
Look at me.
Ayan, lasing. Kanya yan, dun tayo galing eh. On this time. But Mommy decided to come today. So we need to book a hotel. May deer. May mga deer dito. Okay. Let's find out. Is that the swimming pool? It's fine, Mommy. There's no water. It's covered. Just wanna stay here for one night. And then we're gonna move to apartment. This is truck. We're gonna eat your breakfast. There's a monkey. Ay, hotel. Let's go outside, take some pictures.